Hello everyone. Welcome to SSK Investment Academy on Vlogger Sarita Pol YouTube channel. Recently, we all are gone through COVID-19 infections, which is pandemic and serious issue to handle. Because of COVID-19, we all are working from home. Even some people have lost their job and some daily wages people even not working, so they don't have money to survive. Now only emergency services are open. Some of the big industries only calling 30 to 50% people on daily basis. Some people are suffering through salary cut in percentage too. So what is actually solution to get financially stable? Question arises. So for that question, answer is share market, which is commonly known as stock market. When all things were not in operation, share market or stock market was only the platform open for all to earn money. So let us see how to invest in stock market to earn money in a simple way. First of all, you have to open an account to invest money. After that, platform needed to operate. And third thing is how much money you should invest in stock market. Now, for account opening, you need two accounts. That is Demat account and trading account. Trading account is an account where you can transfer money between bank account, that is your saving account, and trading account. Again, second account is Demat account. So in Demat account, you can transfer shares between your trading account and Demat account. Both trading and Demat account can open through brokerage account. In market, there are two types of brokers available. First one is full service broker and second one is discount broker. In full service broker, they are actually charging commission on executing each trade you perform, that is you are buying your stock or that is you are selling your stock, means on each and every execution you will be charging by full service broker. And in discount broker, charge will be fixed for annual actually. So this often costs less than full service broker. Secondly, the difference between full service broker and discount broker. Full service broker provides frequent investment advice for each trading you perform. But in discount broker, they don't provide any investment advice. Some of the examples of full service brokers are like Motilal Oswal, Angel Broking, etc. Examples of the discount broker are like Zerodha, 5paisa, SAS Online, Fires, ProStocks and Samco. I actually personally suggest you to open an account through the discount broker with platform Zerodha or 5paisa.com. For actually discount broker, you have to study yourself for finding stocks or investing in stocks. You should search the value or liable stocks through market. For that purpose, you need to see Zee Business, CNBC Awaaz, etc. channels which are offering and which are showing the stocks on the daily basis. where you can see the future and options too, stock market too, and the even long-term stocks you are investing and intraday stocks you are investing too. Now, question arises again, what is intraday and long-term investment in the share market? Intraday is the way where you can buy a stock on a particular day and you can sell that before 3:30 p.m. on that particular day only. Now again, what is long-term investing? In long-term investing, you can buy any stock or you can sell any stock any of the day excepting actually Saturday and Sunday. So your stock market will be working only between Monday to Friday. So I'll suggest you to invest in long-term stock market. After that, if we see how much money you should invest in stock market, there are many reasons that so much people are afraid of stock market. The reasons are, many of the people avoid stock market because of about 53% people don't have money. Again, 21% don't have idea about the stock market, and 9% don't trust brokers. 7% thinks stocks are risky, and 2% are afraid of high fees, and remaining of unknown reasons. Actually, to avoid such negative things, you should start with rupees 5,000 minimum. Why I am telling you to invest only 5,000 and not less than 5,000? Because value stocks or liable stocks can be buy of 5,000 rupees. Don't go with the 10 rupees stock, 15 rupees stock, or any stock which is not liable or a value stock. Find out such a stocks which are actually giving you profit. Again, not to invest more than 10,000 rupees in market. Thank you. You will actually enjoy the stock market in such a simple way I have told you. Again, I am thanking you for watching my video, and do subscribe, follow my channel, that is Vlogger Sarita Paul YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos on investment plans in stock market, tax benefits, business investor, insurance, securities, again future and options of stock market and funds too. For more queries, you can comment in comment section, and you can also call on mobile number 8459-4050 and 750-777-6400 to talk with our stock market investor, Dr. Sachin Somnath Nehi. He'll suggest you, he'll talk with you on your financial issues or about the investment in the stock market. You can call him and talk with him about the investment in stock market too. Thank you. Thank you very much.